Hey, real talk. Why is your subscriber count stuck? Like, are people allergic to your channel or what? All right, let's fix that. First, your content. Be honest. Would you subscribe to your own channel if your videos are boring, confusing, or all over the place? People are out, so pick a niche and make it good. Second, your thumbnails. If your thumbnail looks like it was made in Microsoft Paint in 2005, yeah, nobody's clicking. Make it bright, clear, and interesting. Third, your call to action. You can't just assume people will subscribe. Tell them, but not in a boring way. Try, hey, if you're still watching, you might as well hit that subscribe button. It's free. See? Casual. No pressure. Oh, and consistency. You can't upload once a year and expect to blow up. Post regularly, even if it's once a week. Just show up. Finally, engagement. Reply to comments, ask questions, be a human. People subscribe to you, not just your videos. So, quick recap, good content, eye-catching thumbnails, a solid CTA, consistency, and engagement. Do these, and that sub count? Oh, it's moving up. Now, if this helped, you already know what to do. Like, comment, and yeah, subscribe.